The mirror cracked, then whispered back, revealing secrets hidden beyond its surface. As Emily stood frozen in place, the whispers grew louder, pulling her into a world where reality and illusion intertwined. With each word it spoke, Emily felt herself being drawn deeper into the mirror's enchantment, where the familiar became fantastical. Her heart racing, Emily knew she had a choice to make: step into the magic or retreat back to the safety of her reality. With a final glance back, Emily plunged into the magical realm, ready to embrace the adventure that awaited her.